So I was really geeked out when they said we were going to take my old ornament and blow it up to a very large tabletop. So when I say blow up, I don't mean Luke blowing up the Death Star, but actually the size of the ornament. To get started, I went back to my old 3D files to see what I would have to modify. We decided to add more windows to it, add different color paint, add a little more detail to the Death Star itself, make sure the backside had some detail. I wanted to add more things like some of the striping on Vader's suit. So as soon as you plug it in, you hit the button, it's either Imperial March or it's the Star Wars theme, and everything comes to life. You'll see all the windows light up, the word Rebel Scum will glow, and it really looks cool. When I see the synchronized music and the lights all come together, it gives you goosebumps to hear that Imperial March going and have it there next to my Star Wars Christmas tree. I can't get over it, it's great. If you've got a crazy Star Wars fan on your Christmas list, they're going to need this crazy Star Wars house tabletop.